Pisces, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing today? And in case if you are new on this channel, then hello, my name is Tarusha Saxena and I welcome you to my beautiful world of tarot. And on this channel you are going to find weekly and monthly zodiac readings, love readings, career readings, health readings, so much more. So my dear Pisces, if this channel and these topics are of your interest, then do go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Do not forget to click the bell icon to receive notifications about my upcoming future videos. Disclaimers. Pisces, sorry, I'm having a bad throat. That was not a disclaimer though, but the disclaimer is that these readings are general readings, and in case Pisces, if this reading does not resonate with you, then don't forget to check out my other zodiac videos as per your sun, moon, rising and Venus signs. Also remember the timing is fluid and these are timeless readings, and my dear Pisces, you will see these readings only when you are meant to watch it, irrespective of the day, time and year, my dear Pisces. So here we go. This week's reading, whichever week you get to see this. Ooh, we had two cards. All right, the Hermit card and the Moon card. All right, Pisces, we have the Hermit and the Moon card. So these two cards are telling me, Pisces, that number one, it is time for you to focus on yourself. You are not focusing on yourself, and somehow, if I remember it correctly, Hermit card came for you in one of your last to last readings as well, Pisces. That you need to, all the wisdom, all the knowledge and all the wisdom that you have, my dear Pisces, you need to put that to use for yourself, my dear, because you are just like, tired and exhausted helping out others and giving solutions to others. What about you? And how long do you want to continue feeling this? You are not learning anything, Pisces. You need to take care of yourself. All right, you have lot of knowledge, you have lot of wisdom. Use it for your benefit, Pisces, because there is some situation happening in your life. Okay, there is some situation coming in your life wherein there is some kind of communication that is going to be cut, and this communication that is going to be cut down is between you and your partner. I very, very strongly feel, or there is some communication cut off about to happen between you and something very important in your life, and some major communication is going to be disrupted. All right, and it is some third party that is going to cause this disruption. All right, so to deal with this situation, it is very important for you to kind of get hold of yourself, find your find your ground and hold it very firmly is what it is required right now, Pisces. Yes, definitely there is, it is about you and your person that I can see over here, and there is somebody trying to cause a communication cut. So basically, you kind of losing touch with yourself, you're kind of getting disconnected with yourself, and in doing so you are kind of losing a sense of everything around you, and probably you are not even aware that there is somebody already trying to cut down cords and communication between you and your person. I think that is what is happening, because it's you and your person and your relationship, and then somebody right in the center cutting off everything. So beware, Pisces, what is happening. Heartbreak. Yes, this person is going to cause some heartbreak, coming your way, Pisces. I definitely see some heartbreak coming your way, Pisces. So you really need to catch hold of all your senses, come back to your senses and see what is happening in your relationship. The Knight of Cups, there are chances of things getting better. So definitely there is some miscommunication, there is some disruption, a third party coming in your relationship and causing you a heartbreak. But I do see some golden endings, I do see some beautiful horizons to it. Yeah, I definitely see that happening. All right, Pisces. The Tower card. Okay, a major breakup coming, a major breakup coming. So I think it's coming fast. Okay, now the Knight of Cups could also, it can mean golden, it can mean like a golden ending at the end, a golden light at the end of the tunnel, but it can also mean that this breakup, all right, the heartbreak and the Tower, these energies can be coming to you very, very, very soon. Your relationship is in danger, Pisces, and you know it. I think somewhere in your heart you know it. I think that you had an intuition very, very recently, or you have been having this intuition or a feeling deep down your gut that, your relationship is going down south. Yes, you know this. You have been knowing this, and you've kind of been, pushing it under the carpet. You don't want to, confront this feeling that you're having within you. But don't do this for too long, because this scenario is approaching you really, really fast, much more faster than you can actually expect it, Pisces. And you really need to connect with yourself, my dear Pisces, because you are going to need a lot of strength to face this kind of a heartbreak. All right, Pisces, I also do want to take out some cards for you. The Creator. Okay, this card has come out for you, which is the Creator card, and I'll also take out one more card for you, Pisces. I want to take out one more card for you. These are the messages for you from the universe, fighting and the Creator. Yes, so these are the messages for you for your reading, Pisces, that these cards are telling you that you need to connect with the Creator to find the strength inside you, so that you are able to face and fight the situation bravely, with strength, and come out of it very, very bravely. All right, you really need to connect with your Creator. You need to do some physical, you need to do some spiritual exercises, so that you're connected to the Creator, to connected to the creation and the Creator, and which will give you the power and strength to face what is to come. All right, and this particular thing is going to make you strong only to fight you. It is going to protect you. All right, this particular thing, this meditation and connectivity with the Creator is only going to make you strong and ready to face the fight. All right, Pisces, so this was your reading for this particular week, whichever week you come across this reading. All right, irrespective of day, time and year, it is meant for you when you are going to watch it, Pisces. So I have more power to you, my dear Pisces. Stay strong. Things are going to get back better, and you will get what is meant for you in your life. All right, and in case if this reading does not resonate with you, don't forget to check out my other zodiac readings as per your sun, moon, rising, and the Venus signs. And do take care, Pisces. More power to you, dear Pisces. And I'll see you very, very soon in my next video. All right, bye bye.